little furry little duck, black ducks. Oh, they're feeding on.
Oh, ain't my battery going dead?
They like, let us get some, man. They're feeding them, so we got to see some baby ducks. Oh, I got that on camera. I say, all right.
Good photos too.
Word. It's and they're chilling. Oh.
It's funny how they coexist.
Yeah, that's a.
It
They
is.
just kind of hang out together and.
You can learn a lot from animals now.
Word.
No, seriously.
I think they're more humane than us sometimes.
Absolutely. When you see him, babe. She's like, "Mom, you ain't napping about." Look at her book coming through.
Hey, y'all forgot about me.
I see that. I see them, buddy. I see that. What are you looking at? Those are the ducks. This is the mommy, and they're tiny. If you look this way, buddy, you can see better.
Well, he not with it. He like, yo, y'all better get out of here, boy.
We can't get there. Yeah.
I missed it. Yeah, oh, that tastes different.
You're like, what was that?
Oh, who hissing now?
So cute.
They're like snakes. Get out of here, somewhere.
They're like, oh man, thank you. Oh, he's not playing. He's not playing, yo. He came under the bridge. Yo, he came
Buddy, trust me, I'm loving this. This is fabulous. What, you want me to squat down next to you?
Oh, what happened? Oh, he did it again. Say, hey, bro.
The wife ruined it. I don't know. The wife is more impressive. That's probably the mama right there. You ready to go, buddy? Mama's over there. So beautiful. Have a great day, guys.
You too. Oh, I'm kind of mad I missed that.
Hey, thank y'all again.
Oh, thank you.
We got some beautiful pictures just now, so thank you.
I didn't think of to say thank you. They gotta get the scraps. Y'all can't fight, boy. Y'all gotta learn how to fight, my boy. Cause it was only one. Oh, here you come again. Here you come again. Hey, y'all gotta learn how to fight, bro.
They associate food white people. That's why white people be in nature all the time, man. That's how they put up with family.
Word. Are they about to hop on land? Oh, they about to chase him. Oh, they can't get up. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, they stuck. Oh, they stuck. Oh, they stuck. Oh, oh, oh. If this was the real wild, they'd be dead. We'd be killing them. All right, now we gotta